Hey everyone. So I have an 11 by 14 old canvas all taped off with my push pins in. And today I'm going to do a ring pour. I was going to do a reverse swipe, but I think with the oval shape we kind of would lose the design that we wanted. So we'll do that on another video. I am using up paints that we are no longer going to be using, but I did throw a couple in just to balance the pigment. So I have some funky colors here. So I do want to start with white. And then I'm going to follow that with manganese blue from Soho. Artist Loft Naples Yellow. Deco Art Sea Breeze. Deco Art Berry Metallic. This is Dioxazine Violet from Soho. I'm going to use all of that. This is Grape Taffy from Craftsmart. And just a little bit more of the white, the manganese blue, the Artist Loft Naples Yellow, and the berry. So I am going to pour the ring, and then I may put some white around it. We'll see how much paint we have on here. I am doing big circles too. Never can get without a drip. I was being so careful. I should have put my hand under there. Alright, this white doesn't have any silicone, so I'm going to squirt it around the edges. Just to let it grab on. And then I can go around it. And I will help push that off with my finger. Normally I would use the base white, but I was afraid I would pour it into the ring pour, and I didn't want to do that. Darn for the drip. Maybe we'll be able to pour that side off, but we don't know until we start stretching it out to see what we have. So it's always good to have something for that paint to flow over. Otherwise your color kind of folds over itself, and you may lose some beautiful rings that you wanted to show up. So let's go ahead and roll it and see what we've got. Because I already love that Naples yellow in there. I'm slowly taking it over the edge. Yeah, that violet is pretty too. Let's see if we can save a little bit of that. I'm going to try to bring that drip off. I got a little bit here that didn't go over. I'll touch the edge. Just slightly tip this way. Okay. That should be able to bring it down now. Everything else looks pretty good. Got a ton of cells, didn't I? And that grape taffy came up through with the berry metallic through the manganese blue, which is really cool looking. Let me wipe my hands and I'll show you real quick. And I'm loving this right there. So I'll give you a quick peek so you can see that. It's really neat. And I haven't even torched it yet. Let's torch it and see what happens. Now I don't want to take that white off because if I do that, it really won't have any balance. So this way it's kind of a... I'm heart beating, aren't I? Sorry. There we go. If I do, it will just be this. So that's all that blue is not very pretty. And I'm afraid if I stretch it this way, we're going to get some zigzagging going on. I am going to fix this little spot here where the white's popping through. Other than that, looks pretty good. Let's let it set for 5 minutes and see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Not much change. Some of the cells got just a tad bit bigger, but not much change at all. So that's going to be it for this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on the bell for notifications of new videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all our links below. It's pretty. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have quite a few things in that shop. Even stuff for resining. And speaking of resin, we still have our Stone Coat Art Coat code. You can use that on any product on the Stone Coat website. You'll get $30 off an $80 order using the code POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, in caps. And we also have t-shirts available down below the video. So check that out. Join us at the Garage Posse. And with that, we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.